Oh, wow.
I got it.
Evil Maid Cafe, assault rifle. the dodgy vending machine corner. Oh, these are canned insect things.
Ew. You want a katsu sandwich from a vending machine?
What is this?
Alright, well that was a waste of 1,000 yen.
If Japan is on your travel list, then there is nothing crazier than Akihabara at night. We're exploring the best food, weirdest vending machines, and all the crazy things that the anime capital of the world has to offer.
So I was researching weirdest vending machines in Japan, and this one came up. It's a mystery treasure box. Here it is. King's treasure box. Basically you put in 1,000 yen, which is like 10 bucks-ish, and you just get like a mystery prize. All the cool stuff you can win, but I feel like we're gonna just get like a keyring or something.
Alright, gonna try?
No. So yeah, do you just push a button? I don't know. Money's going in.
Huh?
I think you've got to push a mystery button. Which one feels lucky? Yeah, do it. Oh, it made a pretty decent noise.
What is this?
I think it's a selfie stick.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's a light.
It's a light. Okay.
Oh, that's really random.
Really random.
Alright, well that was a waste of 1,000 yen. It's under like a train bridge right in the middle of Electric Town.
Tokyo is full of random vending machines, but this one is a must. Every prize in there is worth at least 1,000 yen. I'm not sure ours was, but the best prizes include a Nintendo Switch, walkie-talkie, portable phone charger, and even Disneyland tickets. We've also heard of people using these machines for Christmas presents or travel gifts, which is so unique and way better than a souvenir magnet. Just make sure you film it for them as a bit of a laugh. The inventor made these out of a love for gachapon machines, which are everywhere in Tokyo, but they're not available 24/7. They're also made from recycled book vending machines, which is very cool. You'll need a 1,000 yen note for the machine. It doesn't accept coins. Good luck, and let us know in the comments what you got.
Now we're going to try and get a katsu sandwich out of a vending machine. Hopefully it's a little bit more satisfying than this one. Stay tuned.
A polarizing attraction in Tokyo is the Maid Cafes. We went to one when we first visited in 2019 and we actually would recommend it. It's not as intense as you may think. If you're really feeling brave, you can check out this Maid Cafe.
Evil Maid Cafe with like assault rifle. Oh my god, she looks depressed. What the hell? That is weird. Fair enough, fair enough. This Akihabara vending machine corner, which looks quite dodgy.
Dodgy as...
Yeah. Oh, these are canned insect things.
Ew. I mean, there's just weird stuff in here. Like
canned...
There's just like a plastic box of bells. Like you put in a Christmas tree. I don't understand what this is.
Look.
It's like wrapped boxes.
I don't know. And then look, there's like rechargeable batteries, insects. Like insect toys.
Like over here there's just a ball. Like
there you go.
like a ball. Like
what are these weird wrapped boxes?
What are these ones?
Just wrapped boxes. I don't know what the hell they are.
So weird. Oh, there's like more in there.
Oh my god, there's more in there.
I think I might get murdered in there.
Nah, you'll be alright.
Oh, this is scary.
Vending machine balls again. Oh, there's like a squeeze in. The vending machine is weird. So weird. I don't know what these are. Okay. Popcorn. Okay. No one here, but there you go. Squeezing through that. Vending machine corner.
Shinkansen and popcorn.
A toy Shinkansen and a popcorn machine. Well, I saw there was one in there too. Why would you get like insects? Like I don't, or even Shinkansen.
Okay.
Yeah, I have no idea what this stuff is, but it's weird. I don't know what these wrap boxes are, but interesting.
Do you think they're like mystery surprises like the other one was?
Oh, maybe.
Let's go to a pub where we won't get murdered. We take you to all the best places.
Yeah, the dodgy vending machine corner. Just looks a bit dodged, that's all. Vending machine corner. Here it is, but unfortunately, all gone.
All sold out. So
All
pro
sold.
tip, if you want a katsu sandwich from a vending machine, come early. So we think this is a pro tip. Vending machine was sold out, but the restaurant that actually puts all the food in the vending machine is just across the road from it. Came over to see if you could get a takeout. It was very confusing. We went to the restaurant and there wasn't any signs, so we were like, But right next door to the restaurant is a convenience store that had signs for it. You come right to the back of a little stand. It's pretty expensive. It's like $7.50. We're also not sure if it's real food or if it's just a version of like the plastic fake food. Because in some places they do sell like the display food as like a take-home thing, like a figurine. So we'll see if this is actually food or if this is a $7.50 plastic food.
Alright, Lydia, moment of truth. Oh no, the side one.
Oh god, okay. Oh my god, this is like top secret katsu sandwich.
It's a real sandwich.
It's a real sandwich.
We got it.
We got it. And there's a lot of it.
There is a lot.
Okay.
It's good.
The bread is so soft.
Good?
Mm.
Yeah, good. There's a huge Panchinko parlor or store. Panchinko is basically Japanese slot machines. I don't think you actually win money, you win a ticket for a toy that you sell way around the anti-gambling laws. But there you go, it's a huge one. Yeah.
This morning I was reviewing best street food. This place came up and we were trying to find it, we couldn't find it, and we just stumbled across it outside of Don Quixote. It's like meat skewers. It's like the pork is sold out. Wagu for yen.
Pipe and hot. Seat somewhere.
A seat in Tokyo bed.
Oh yeah. Oh, these people are sitting on the pole. Pretty piping hot. Oh, got the salt on it, the seasoning. Oh, wow.
Is it good?
Mm.
I think that's the biggest expression I've seen you have.
It's good.
Oh wow.
Good.
Good decision.
Baby. I wanted to get the chicken cheese one. Oh, look at that garlic butter.
Trying a warm curry in Japan is a must, and Hinoya Curry House is famous for its unusual toppings. If you love spice, Try the demon spicy mapo style curry or go wild with the butter corn de chorizo. You can also get prawns, cheese, thick cut bacon. I promise you will not find weirder curry toppings anywhere in Tokyo. They also won first place at the Curry Grand Prix, so you know it's wacky but also really, really good.
There is many levels of this. Here we go.
Oh, baby, put it in the balloon. Oh. No one ever wins these.
So many choices.
That's so cute.
The world that keep the sky